Hello, welcome to how to grow foxgloves from seed. Firstly, a warning. Foxglove plants are toxic. All parts of the plants are poisonous, and if eaten they can kill a person. Inhaling the pollen or touching the plant can cause some people to have reactions. Handle with care. The first step is to buy some seeds. They're available at most garden stores. On the reverse of the packet, you will find growing times for your region. Step 2. Plant the seeds in a seed tray. First, fill the seed tray with compost. Then spread the compost and press it down to remove any air pockets. Next, water the compost. We're doing this now as it would wash the seeds away if we did it later. Next, take the seeds from the packet and sprinkle them thinly over the compost. Cover with the thin layer of compost and then press it down to remove any air pockets. Don't forget to label the tray in case you forget what you've planted. Finally, cover the tray with a thin layer of cling film. This helps keep the seeds moist and keep them warm. Step 3. After a week or two, the seeds will begin to germinate. Step 4. When the seedlings have 2 sets of leaves, it's time to thin them out. First, water the seedlings as it makes them easier to remove. Now fill a second seed tray with compost. Carefully remove a seedling by holding by the leaves and being careful not to damage the roots. Make a small hole in the seed tray compost and then insert the new seedling. Press firmly round the root, but be careful not to damage the plant. Each plant should now be 4 inches apart from its neighbour. Finally, give the plants a watering. Keep warm and watered until the plants are large enough to plant outside. In the UK this is around about September. Step 6. Plant outside. Hold the plant by its leaves and then carefully remove it from the seed tray, being careful not to damage the roots. Next, dig a small hole in your soil, large enough to take the plant roots. Put the plant in the hole, cover with soil and press down, but be careful not to damage the plant stem. Finally, give the plant a good watering. After that, be sure to keep the plant well watered and weed free. Step 7. Leave the plants outside over winter. They will flower in the 2nd year. Step 8. In the spring of the 2nd year, the plants will begin growing again. Step 9. Large flower stems will appear from the centre of the plant. Then flowers will start to form. And then very quickly you'll have a beautiful display of foxgloves. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Please like it if you have, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.